Assalamu alaikum everyone. Now the next exercise of chapter 2 from ADMES. This is about maximum and minimum values of a quadratic function. This maximum and minimum values can be found by the use of completing the square method. Before we start, I just want to tell you कि मिनिमम वैल्यू और मैक्सिमम वैल्यू क्या होती है. सो बेटा y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is the general equation of a quadratic function. It is general equation of a quadratic function. General equation of quadratic function. So if we draw the graph of this equation, graph of quadratic function, is called a parabola. So we have two types of graphs. Number one, if a is greater than 0, so we have this kind of graph, and this is the minimum value, and if a is less than 0, so we have this kind of graph, and this point is the maximum value. Maximum value or maximum point. Minimum point or maximum point. So how can we find this maximum or minimum point? यहाँ पर हम एक मेथड करेंगे, एक कॉन्सेप्ट करेंगे, इसे हम कहते हैं कंप्लीटिंग द स्क्वायर. Completing the square. Completing the square, यहाँ पर हम मेथड अप्लाई करते हैं यूजिंग द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ या फिर द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ x minus a whole square or x plus a whole square. So actually we have two different kind of questions. Like if I two methods हैं, आप completely the square से unknown values find कर सकते हैं. For example, if we have a question like this, express x square plus 7x in the form x minus m whole square plus n. First way. First way, we will compare first of all x square plus 7x equal to x minus m whole square plus n. Now expand x square minus 2xm plus m square plus n equal to x square plus 7x. Now when you compare, the coefficient of x is 7 and here the coefficient of x is minus 2m, so m is minus 7 over 2. Now we have to consider, we have to compare this time the constant value, but there is no constant value to this side, तो आप उसको 0 के equal ले लो. So 0 equal to m square plus n. Now substitute the values for m minus 7 over 2 whole square plus n. So n equal to 49 over 4 with negative sign. So you may write like this: x minus, we have already negative sign, so m is minus 7 over 2, so this is x plus 7 over 2 whole square and n is minus 49 over 4. So this is your answer. Now the second way to express this answer, second way. Now second way, what we have to do, what is the coefficient of x? That is 7. हाफ ऑफ 7 आप यूज़ करेंगे यहाँ पर, इस पे जो भी x का कोफिशिएंट है आप उसका हाफ करोगे, इट इज़ 7 over 2. इसी का आप स्क्वायर लोगे तो 7 over 2 स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 49 over 4. नाउ अब आप यूज़ करेंगे तो x प्लस 7 over 2 whole square and the values in which आपने जिसका स्क्वायर लिया था उसको आप सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दोगे तो minus 49 over 4. तो this is the easiest way you can find your answer by comparison method. Long way है, it will take some time, but आप दूसरे वे के साथ भी इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हो. For example, another question, if we have express x square minus 8x plus 15 in the form x minus m whole square plus n. Now the same way, coefficient of x का आप हाफ कर दो, 8 over 2 equal to 4. आप 4 का स्क्वायर ले लो, that is equal to 16. Now use the formula, तो x minus 4 whole square, जो वैल्यू आपने स्क्वायर किया उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो तो minus 16 plus 15. So we have an answer x minus 4 whole square minus 1. So this is your answer in the form of x minus m whole square plus n. Another question in the same form, express x square plus 5x plus 6. Now first thing, 5 the coefficient of x, that is 5. 5 का आप हाफ करेंगे, it will be equal to 5/2. 5/2 का आप स्क्वायर लोगे तो it will be 25/4. Now formula use करेंगे. So x minus, but this time we have a plus sign with 5x, so x plus 5/2 square minus 25/4 plus 6. Now simplify. So x plus 5/2 square, and then we have over 1 times 4. So minus 25 plus 24 is minus 1/4. So this is your answer in the form. Now if we change the question, when we have the coefficient of x squared other than 1, like we have a question 2x square minus 8x plus 3. Now first thing, you have to take out 2 common, but हम इसको second way से start करते हैं question को. तो 2x square minus 8x plus 3, it will be equal to, this time आप यहाँ पर इसको इस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. a times x minus m whole square plus n. तो बेटे यहाँ पर आप कर दो, एक्सपेंड करेंगे x square minus 2xm plus m square and plus n. Now compare the coefficients. x square का coefficient यहाँ पे 2 है, और to the right side the coefficient of x square is a. So we have a is equal to 2. Answer for a आ गया. Now beta, the coefficient of x is minus 8, and to the other side the coefficient of x is minus 2am. So we have already find the value of a. तो यहाँ पे substitute कर दो, minus 2 times 2m, और minus 8 divided by minus 4 equal to m. So m is equal to 2. Now again compare the constant value. So constant value 3 is equal to a m square plus n. So we have a values of a, it is 2. We have a values of m, it is all, again it is 2 square plus n. So 3 minus 2 square 4 times 2 8. So 3 minus 8 equal to n equal minus 5. Now your expression becomes a is 2 and then we have x minus m, so x minus 2 whole square plus n to minus 5, and this is our final answer. If you want to confirm your answer, आप इसको expand कर दोगे तो आपके पास exactly यही equation दोबारा बन जाएगी. इंशाल्लाह बाकी वीडियोस में मैं रेस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे।